So here we are at Olive Garden. So I'm going to have this tonight. I'm going to show you guys. But so Jenny, tell me about the chocolate lasagna.
So the chocolate lasagna have like 8 layers of different like cakes and chocolates.
Right.
And then you have the chocolate
Sauces?
in here sauce, and then you have the white chocolate.
Oh, you get white chocolate too?
Yeah, right here, and then on top.
That is mine.
Oh, my God.
Okay.
I love white chocolate.
Oh, okay. So
That's incredible.
we're supposed to use the cheese grater, the grated white chocolate on top when you eat here.
That's how you do it?
Yeah, but when you take it home, we put it in the ramekins. So you just
Oh, wow.
when you,
Yeah, so a big shout out to my niece Kristen for giving us the gift card. I'm going to show you more of this later when I eat this at home.
Oh,
But
yeah.
this is incredible. We had the tour of Italy. That's what's left. And Carrie had shrimp. But you're going to see this chocolate lasagna is amazing. And Carrie got the mousse cake. And this is what Carrie got, the black tie mousse cake.
Yes.
And what's this one? This one is just...
This has different, like a mousse, the cake, a mousse, and a chocolate. There's a couple layers too. So
Okay.
yeah.
That's amazing.
When you put it in the plate, it looks.
It looks nice. We're going to try that later. Wow. So I'm going to show you that when we go home. I'm so big. Jenny is a little shy, so I got her on that way, and I'm terrible. Carrie's ready to like hit me over the head with something, but wearing the Capricorn shirt.
I'm a Capricorn. I'm a proud Capricorn.
Oh, brother.
And Irish.
All right, so we're home now with this chocolate lasagna cake from Olive Garden, and it looks amazing. It's just like a square of ultra goodness. Look at that. Amazing. And as Jenny was saying, they give you this white chocolate that they put through a cheese shredder. That's amazing. We'll use that. And we have some chocolate sauce here to make it extra decadent. So this would be like a quadruple chocolate. You got the chocolate sauce, you got the chocolate frosting, chocolate like devil dog type cake or fudge cake, whatever you want to call it. And then you have like a milk chocolate frosting in there. And one in the bottom looks like it's even different. So this might be 5 different types of chocolate plus the white chocolate. 6 different chocolates. I don't even want to think about how many calories this is. This is probably off the charts. Man, oh man. But we're going to try it and we'll let you know what we think of this. So before I put the other stuff on it, I'm just going to try it au natural to see how it tastes. And then I'll put the other stuff on it. What do you think?
I'm not big into chocolate, but that's really good.
I absolutely love chocolate and the 5 different chocolates. You got to try it now with the toppings on it now.
Really good.
Let's put the toppings on it now. Okay, Carrie's going to put the topping on. Go ahead. Don't be stingy. Look at that, oozing like a lava cake there. Wow. That's crazy good. She likes white chocolate too. Yeah?
That's really good.
I'm going to take a piece off of this side. Take a little bit of this. And I'm going to do this. See how this tastes. So this is absolutely incredible. It's 8 layers of chocolate. I just kind of counted them. And you're putting all that on there. It's like wafer cake. It's mousse. Everything you could imagine in a chocolate cake. And the best part is this isn't a seasonal thing from Olive Garden. This is available all the time. It was $9.29. And of course, again, a big shout out to my niece Kristen who got us the gift card. Just look at how amazing that looks. Incredible. If you're going to go off your diet for a day, I would say this is worth going off the diet for. We're big Olive Garden fans, and this is really, really a good thing to have. And you might need to run around the block about 1,000 times after eating this. I'm just going to have a little bit of this, but it is so good. It's rich. It's got ganache in it. Just super, super incredible. How attractive that is. Man, nothing like it. Yep, we got a calendar there. You can see I'm a Mets fan. You got Brandon Nimmo in the background there for 2025. So, you know, there's an old saying, why do you call it a fast, right? You know, when you go on a diet, they sometimes call it a fast because that's how quick it ends. All right, hope you enjoyed this quick little video about the chocolate lasagna from Olive Garden. Love you guys. Have a great new year, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye now.